As you may or may not know, if you've been watching some of my videos, I'm kind of reworking my little office slash studio, if you will. And I picked up a few things today. Nice curtain rod here. Ordered a new green screen. Got some of these large like eyelet lag bolt type things. And some, you know, some little ring slider things. So we're going to be doing some things. I've been working with this green screen, and it's just not... it's kind of bulky, you know, with the stands, and it's it's a good 6 to 8 inches away from the wall. I want it more flush with the wall and out of the way. This is a great setup, but it's just not big enough. I have to literally use this chair and kind of try to center the camera as best I can with this green screen. This is good in a pinch, you know, if you're traveling and you just need a green screen setup. But for the home setup, I don't think it's ideal. I want something that's, you know, floor to ceiling basically, and something that's just really convenient and easy to use. I'm gonna set this up. Watch me work. This, I will admit, my idea is a bit barbaric. My plan is to stick the curtain rod right through here, and this be at a diagonal right in the corner between the wall and the ceiling. So I make sure that I get into some good meat, you know, where there's some wood to tie into. Obviously I wouldn't want to have it on the truss, like way out on the ceiling, because that'd give me a good, I don't know, foot to 24 inches probably out from where I want to be in order to tie into one of the trusses, if that makes sense. So I'm thinking like right in the corner here. One there, and I believe my green screen, the new one, is 10 by 20. So plenty. These are 9-foot ceilings, I believe. So wish me luck. One thing I want to point out, this kit came put together like this with a little ball end on this tube here. This tube happens to be the same size as this tube, so they won't, well, it happens to be smaller than this tube, but this tube is the same size as this tube, right? But I can't get the full 10 feet the way it's put together. So you want to take one of these balls off, right? No, I guess it wouldn't matter, because this is the only small one. You got to take one of these off, insert it in here to get the full 10 feet, because you'd have to go, I don't know if you can see this, but you'd have to go like this, and then you'd have to put the other one on, and then the ball on the end of that. Well, then this ball doesn't fit tight. So now I'm gonna have to wrap something around there to make it fit tight. Kind of a weird, hokey deal. I mean, it's doable, but not the best solution. So yeah, that's where I'm at with that. And then it comes with these little collars to kind of go over the seams, if you will. I'm gonna super glue those in place so I don't have a problem with problem with them later, if that makes any sense. So yeah, I'm just going to use some CA glue and some activator to make it cure instantly. And yeah, we'll go from there. Okay, here you'll notice I'm using the clips from the old green screen to kind of hold the sliders in place and just kind of be able to pull the curtain taut and stretch it out a bit, get the wrinkles out, sort of thing. And then I admire my work, as you should if you did, you know, job well done. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video and this inspired you to do your own and gave you some ideas. If it did and you liked the video, please like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. You know, I'm trying to grow this channel a bit, as you know. And although I do this for fun, not for money, I also do it for you guys. And hopefully you got something out of it. So thanks for watching. Have a good day.